All right, double letters. All right, so double letters. I have an X and I have a Y, and I've got four things in the second parenthesis. All right, so we got some more stuff going on. If the first parenthesis is only two, I don't think it really matters if the second parenthesis has extra stuff because it's not going to really make your arrows crisscross, which is usually the problem. All right, double letters go slow because you're going to start having mixtures of letters. Okay, so let's go slow here. 2x times 2x squared, 4x to the third. Okay, 2x times negative 10y is negative 20x y squared. Those don't go together, they're different letters. Negative 2x times negative 10x, negative 20x squared. 2x times 6y plus 12xy. All right, so nothing's really different. I just have to be careful with the letters. Negative 6y times 2x squared is negative 12x squared y. Now I'm going to write the x first and the y second in all of these because alphabetical order makes it easier to look at them. Negative 6 times negative 6y times negative 10y squared is positive 60y to the third. Negative 6y times negative 10x, negative 6y times negative 10x, is positive 60xy. Negative 6y times positive 6y is negative 36y squared. All right, ton of stuff going on. Now, if you did this carefully and the things weren't really in the order that they're technically supposed to be in, I don't care. All right, but really what you do is you take the first letter and you count down in the exponent there. And then what that's typically going to do is you're going to count up in the y's. And then after you get to the end, you'll have one thing left. All right, so let's go through here and take a look at this. All right, so I've got, hang on, let's highlight the like terms. So I have an x, y squared. We made a mistake here someplace. That's not good. Maybe I didn't. Okay, we're going to say I didn't, and I'll double check and make a second video if I did. All right, so I have an x squared here. I don't have anything to do with that. I have an xy and an xy. All right, so an xy and an xy. And that looks like the only like terms that I see. All right, so we're going to say that that's one like terms. I'll double check this after the video. If you're seeing this video, I didn't make a mistake. All right, so 4x to the third. Cross that guy off. Let's see here. I got a minus 20x squared. All right, then let's put our next x squared term, minus 12x squared y. All right. Then I've got positive 12xy and positive 60, so positive 72xy. All right, and let's start counting our y squared, our y's up. So I've got minus 20xy squared. And then I've got a minus 36y squared. And then I've got a plus 60y to the third. Now, the order of this is not really super important. But if you can see what I did is I started with just the x's, counted those down, and then included the xy's and counted the x's down to 0, basically, and then counted the y's up the other direction. There's not a perfect way to do that, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to double check it now, and hopefully I did it right, so I don't have to make a second video.